TSA agents are now checking travelers' phones, and what's on your device could get you flagged or even stopped from boarding. In this video, I'll show you 5 things you must delete before you fly to protect your privacy and avoid serious trouble at airport security. Stay to the end. Number 5 surprises almost everyone. Number 1. Your phone could ruin your trip before you even board. Imagine this moment. You're standing in the airport security line. Your shoes are off. Your laptop is in a tray, boarding pass in hand. The conveyor belt hums. People are sighing, rolling their eyes, adjusting backpacks. Everything feels routine until it doesn't. A uniformed officer approaches. His gaze is laser-focused on you. "Excuse me, sir/ma'am. I need to take a look at your phone." Your heartbeat spikes. In seconds, your casual scrolling device becomes a legal target. This is no longer your phone. It's evidence. You hope it's a misunderstanding. You haven't done anything wrong. But here's the chilling truth most travelers don't know. TSA versus CBP. The critical difference that could save or destroy you. TSA, Transportation Security Administration, is only supposed to screen for physical threats, guns, explosives, hazardous materials. They cannot legally require you to unlock your phone, read your messages, or browse your photos. But just beyond the security line lies a different world. Number 2. Real stories that prove no one is safe. You may think this only happens to suspicious people, people doing something shady, people with a reason to be flagged. Wrong. These cases involve ordinary travelers who thought they were just passing through. No criminal records, no warnings, just unlucky enough to have something on their phone that raised questions in the eyes of airport officials. Case 1. The Brazilian engineer, national security threat. He was an energy consultant from Sao Paulo. He had been invited to tour a U.S. nuclear facility, legally, as part of an international engineering program. As he stepped into Miami International Airport, officers pulled him aside. "Sir, we need to ask about certain images on your phone." Confused, he unlocked it. They scrolled through his photo gallery, technical diagrams, control room photos, reactor logs. To him, work materials. To them, possible espionage. He was detained for 8 hours, denied contact with his employer, and his devices were copied for federal review. He was eventually released, but banned from re-entering the U.S. until his case could be cleared. His crime? Taking photos he was authorized to take. Number 3. Why I have nothing to hide won't protect you. I have nothing to hide, so I have nothing to worry about. It's the most dangerous assumption a traveler can make. You might not be smuggling anything. You might not be planning anything illegal. But that doesn't matter, because border agents aren't just searching for crimes. They're searching for patterns, behaviors, digital footprints that suggest risk. And in a world driven by algorithms, meaning is no longer based on your intent. It's based on how your data is interpreted. Your phone tells a story, and you might not like the ending. CBP officers don't need a crime to detain you. They just need reasonable suspicion, which increasingly comes from your digital behavior, not physical evidence. What triggers that suspicion? You follow certain accounts on social media. You're in group chats with certain keywords. You've looked up political protests, cryptocurrency sites, or immigration laws. You've saved jokes that reference borders, governments, or substances. You might not even remember these things, but your phone does. And so do they. The Harvard study that shocked the travel world. In a 2024 study, 73% of device inspections were triggered by content travelers had completely forgotten about. 42% were triggered by deleted content that was retrieved using forensic tools. More than half were triggered not by illegal content, but by what agents deemed ideologically concerning. Let that sink in. You don't need to be guilty. You just need to be confusing, misinterpreted, or flagged by an algorithm. Number 4. Silent traps hidden in your digital life. Right now, before you've even packed your bags, your phone could already be preparing a case against you. Not because you've done anything wrong, but because your digital life is full of interpretations. And interpretation is the most dangerous currency at the border. Most travelers make the mistake of thinking danger only appears at the airport. The truth is, The traps are already on your phone, and you don't even realize they're there. These traps don't look like threats. They look like normal life. Trap 1. Political conversations. Maybe you had a heated debate in a group chat. Maybe you shared a video about elections. Maybe you reposted something, just for awareness. To you, expression of opinion. To them, potential ideological concern. Border agents are trained to identify risk behavior. That includes political extremism, even if it's just satire or curiosity. Trap 2. Humor and memes. Screenshots. TikTok reposts. Inside jokes in your DMs. A meme involving a president, a passport, or a border wall could be taken as disrespect or even intent. Border AI tools don't understand sarcasm. They tag keywords and imagery. No context. No humor. Just red flags. You might think, it's just a meme. The algorithm thinks it's a threat indicator. Number 5. Secrets pros use to travel stress-free. There's a reason journalists, diplomats, tech executives, and experienced travelers glide through borders without anxiety. It's not luck. It's not privilege. It's strategy. They don't wait for trouble. They eliminate it completely, weeks before they even pack their bags. These are not travel hacks. These are professional digital defense systems used by people whose devices hold sensitive information. People who would face massive consequences if even one file were misinterpreted. The professional system, clean, controlled, confident. 14+ days before travel, the digital reset begins. This is the phase most ordinary travelers skip, and it's where professionals win. Encrypt and backup everything securely. They upload their data to encrypted cloud storage only. Platforms like Proton Drive or iCloud with two-factor authentication. Not to basic cloud folders that can be accessed remotely. Perform a full factory reset. They wipe the phone completely, erasing digital fingerprints, old accounts, cached files, and metadata. Rebuild from zero. Instead of reloading everything automatically, they manually install only essential apps. Airline apps, hotel booking, maps, email with limited syncing, messaging with minimal contacts, no games, no dating apps. Number 6. How to stay calm when you're confronted. You're pulled aside. The lights feel brighter. The crowd disappears. Your heart does that thing where it forgets how to beat. This is the moment preparation pays off. Calm isn't cowardice. It's your best legal and tactical move. Below is your playbook. Exactly what to do, what to say, and what to never ever do. Step 1. Immediately identify the agency. Before you do anything, ask 2 short questions, out loud and polite. Which agency are you with, TSA or CBP? Is this a consent search or a required inspection? Why? Different agencies have different powers. TSA can't force you to unlock. CBP can demand more. Knowing who you're dealing with shapes your response. Step 2. Use clear, short scripted lines. When pressure rises, long explanations collapse. Use short, rehearsed lines. If TSA, am I required to unlock my phone for this inspection? If they say no, I respectfully decline. If CBP, am I legally required to unlock my device? I would like to speak with an attorney before providing access. I will comply if a lawful order is presented. Until then, I'm invoking my right to counsel. Say these exactly. Repetition buys time and reduces escalation. Number 7. The hidden AI watching your every move. You may think airport security starts at the metal detector. It doesn't. Your inspection begins the moment you buy your ticket, open your airline app, or even connect to airport Wi-Fi. What used to be manual screening by humans is now real-time analysis by artificial intelligence, trained to detect patterns of risk. And here's the truth. They are no longer just scanning your device. They are scanning you, your habits, your apps, your language, your digital identity. The silent shift from security to surveillance. Modern border enforcement is powered by AI-driven tools such as Palantir, Gray Key, Celebrite, Advanced Passenger Information System, APIS, Automated Targeting System, ATS. These systems don't need to physically handle your phone to gather data. They can. View your travel history across multiple countries. Access your cloud backups in certain jurisdictions. Detect your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi signals. Cross-reference your digital identity with global databases. The future isn't coming. It's already installed at Gate A12. Behavior scanning, the new border control. These AI tools don't just analyze files. They analyze behavioral anomalies, such as, does your phone frequently switch SIM cards? Is your WhatsApp number different from your passport country? Number 8. Step-by-step survival plan. Your 30-day digital defense. This is the exact timeline professionals use. Follow it like a mission brief. Copy the scripts. Practice the lines. Do the steps. Don't improvise under pressure. 30 days before travel, begin quiet, systematic cleanup. Your goal here is to reduce interpretation risk without creating sudden deletion red flags. Inventory everything. Make a rapid list of apps, cloud services, messaging platforms, and accounts on your phone and laptop. Write it down offline. Full encrypted backup. Use a strong, end-to-end encrypted service. Create a fresh archive. Verify the backup is complete. Export and secure sensitive files. Move photos, documents, chat logs you want to keep to the encrypted archive. Do not keep them on the device. Start removing non-essential apps, dating apps, social feeds, finance apps you won't need. Remove gradually over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Don't delete everything at once. Rename risky contact nicknames. Change El Capitan, Ivan, or a neutral name. Small, early edits look normal, frantic edits do not. Change critical passwords and enable 2FA on important accounts. Note them in a secure password manager. Why? Gradual changes avoid suspicious deletion footprints and give you a clean baseline. 15 days before, harden and rebuild. Now you compartmentalize. Factory reset planning. If you'll do a reset, make sure your encrypted backup works and is accessible offline. Create a travel profile. Plan which apps you must have: airline, boarding pass, maps, hotel, local transport, emergency contacts. Decide on a travel device strategy. Option A, travel phone. Buy a cheap, unlocked phone. Install only essentials and local SIM if needed. Option B, wipe and rebuild main device. If you must use your main device, plan a full wipe and reinstall only the travel profile. Test the travel phone. Make calls. Open boarding passes. Test maps. Ensure it's functional and nothing leaks. No auto restores. Disable unnecessary sync. Turn off auto photo backup, social auto post, and calendar sync for accounts not needed. Why? This is the phase where you minimize noise and produce a defensible, minimal device. 7 days before, lockdown and logistics. Start behavior changes and document preparation. Turn off cloud sync across devices and remove linked devices from your cloud account where possible. Write down scripted lines to use if stopped. Memorize them. 3 days before, final checks and psychological prep. Make sure everything is consistent and you're mentally rehearsed. Confirm travel phone SIM and data. Test Wi-Fi and airplane mode behavior. Disable Bluetooth, NFC, and automatic Wi-Fi connections. Gather documentation if you have a work device. Letter from employer, proof of assignment, NDAs, if relevant. Why? Reducing jitter and having documents prepares you to project calm competence. 24 hours before, the quiet hour. No dramatic changes. Be predictable. Put travel device in flight mode overnight, but keep battery charged. Those are the 5 items you need to delete immediately before flying. Protect your phone, protect your privacy, and travel with confidence. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Safe travels and stay informed.